Hi, I'm Lynne with Softsquares. Today I'm going to open up the February subscription box from Precut Quilt Shop. And this month they actually sent it in a project bag. Let's look at it. All right, they're using project bags, and they do include the value of the bag in your overall value of the subscription. And these are nice. I use them a lot. I really like them. The first thing we get is this. And it has, this is the classic box. They have a couple different subscriptions. They have everything in there, including a pattern for a quilt and notion, thread, and some other little things. Each month is slightly different, but you always get pattern and fabric. All right, so Poppy's Patchwork Club. It's a fat eighth friendly and perfect for Easter. So they have used it in their quilt. This is the pattern we get. It's called Hop Hop Bunny Spring. Finish size is 54 by 60. And here is the pattern for it. And it has a couple different options depending on the borders, a couple different size options. Their retail value of that is $12. We also have this. This is right on top of everything. This is a Mr. bottle. It is Lori Holt, the Ultimate Fabric Mister, and it has So Vintage on the side. And these, I have a blue one. I use it all the time. You mist, and then you get little tiny mists instead of large water droplets. It works really well for quilting. Quilters really like it. Anyway, the value for that is $14.99. They've also included by Flamingo Toes and Beverly McCullough these leather tags. And this is retail value of $9.95. And the first one says handmade. Oh, they all say handmade, just different fonts. And the value of that is $9.95. The retail cost for the mesh bag is $4. And the size of this is 13.5 by 9.5. We also get our fabric. Now, I opened this up already, but it is really pretty. This is an extra piece of fabric. This is half of a yard for the binding, and their value this at $8. There you go, you can see it up close. This is actually a different line than the Fat Quarters. This is Woodland Songbirds by Sherry McCulley for Poppy Cotton. Okay, so there's that, and then here's this. These are fat eighths, and there's 21 of them. Isn't that cute? I'm going to go through them individually. And by the way, the value of this half of a yard is $8. And then the value for the 21 fat eighths is $56. And I'm going to go through and show you one by one what they look like. that's 21. They call it Poppy Patchwork Club. Now they've given us the pattern with 3 different sizes. The half a yard of fabric for the binding and 21 fat eighth pieces of fabric. We also have a label that we can put on it and store our project in this bag. So very well done. And we also get our mister bottle to help us with it. This happened to work out where you can really use everything on this project should you go there. Now the box value, they've listed it at $115.60, and I'll put a link below if it's something you want to look into. It's really nice. It's a monthly subscription box. This month the fabric is by Lori Woods Late's fabric line. Created, inspired by Easter and spring season. They have a little bit about the designer, but that's a picture of her, the designer. It also has a winner of the month. This one is Lillian Trado, T-R-A-D-O. You are the winner of a free subscription for 1 month. You just have to contact them at customer service at precutsquiltbox.com and they'll do the next box. And the way you enter that contest is by sharing your posts. It says use Instagram or their Facebook page using hashtag precutsquiltbox. You can also use Precuts Quilt Shop with the hashtag and share your unboxings. And there's that. Beginning December 2022, we will be replacing your box for vinyl project bags to protect your project and notion. Due to the increased price of the bag, the cost of the bag will be reflected as part of the subscription value. This changes only during the winter season. With this being plastic or vinyl, it protects everything that's in there. I guess they've had some issues where wet boxes caused issues because of the weather. But that's it. That's a lot. Let me know what you think about this. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I'll see you soon.